Welcome back, and in this lecture we are going to resolve one of the huge problems that we have to often come up face with data, and that is these blank cells. So you can see that in these two columns of product retail price and product cost, there are a lot of cells which are actually blank. Now we cannot simply go start finding them, keep finding them and keep filling them with something like 0. That will take a lot of time because this is a huge data, and by the way, the data can be in the millions of rows. So what you need to do is that you simply need to click here on this find and replace and press here on this go to special. Once you click that, this pop-up will open, and now here you will click on this blanks and press OK. So you can see that Excel has selected all the blanks for you in these two columns. In fact, in the complete sheet, in my sheet, only these two columns have blanks. So now you will see that I will write something. Let us say I will write 0, and now press Ctrl Enter. Please be careful. It's not the enter that I'm going to press. I'm going to press the Control key, and then I will keep it pressed and press Enter. Control Enter, and Excel has put the same value in all of these different cells out there. So that was easy. I will do it again for you. I will just do undo for now. So I will go here. I will press go here, select go to special, and then I will select blanks. I will click OK, and then I will write 0 here, and I will say Control Enter, and Excel has filled data in all the blank cells out there. So that was quick and easy, but this is very important trick for us. So please practice it in the file given in this lecture, and let's move to the other tricks.